Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito po yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Ayan. Sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. If you want, pwede ka namang magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Trader. Search mo lang siya sa Facebook. Siya yung pwedeng magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. And also, ayan, follow me on TikTok, guys. By the way, meron akong shop doon. Kung gusto mong mag-avail ng Evil Eye bracelet, meron din ako doon. And yung may bracelet doon na Piyaw bracelet, kindly check it out. Pag nag-avail ka nun, meron kang free palm reading mula sa akin. Gagawin kita ng video, personal YouTube video. And patungkol yan sa guhit ng palad mo. Okay, so of course, isasend mo yung picture sa akin kung mag-a-avail ka nung bracelet na yun. Free yung reading. Okay, let's start. This is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Okay. You do have here the Eight of Cups. The Moon is at the bottom of the deck. This is like maybe a person na parang hindi maganda yung communication ninyo. Maybe there's a lot of silence, or pwedeng ito yung person na lumalabas sa dreams mo with the Four of Swords. And I feel like maybe there's this third party na nagiging involved dito sa connection ninyo with the Three of Swords, kaya nagkakaroon ng ending sa connection with the Ten of Swords. This is like, ito yung pinaka nakikita natin nasa isip mo your person, the Three of Swords. Like maybe may mga times na bago ka matulog, siya yung nasa isip mo. Lagi mong nasa isip tong taong to. There are times na parang alam mo yon, wala kang ginagawa na lang sa connection na ito, but yung pag-iisip, ayaw mo rin naman siyang gawin, pero wala kang magawa, kundi maisip itong person na to, that maybe currently siya yung nakakapagpalungkot at nakakapagpasakit sa puso mo ngayon. And maybe because of an ending here with the third party. Yun yung pinaka-message. You do love yourself with the Empress. Nakikita natin yan. Mahal mo yung sarili mo. But, pwedeng sa ngayon yung nagiging choice mo kasi, or decision mo, is to not focus on this person. Don't, yung parang ganun, parang wala ka kunwaring pakialam. You do care, pero, maybe, ikaw itong, gusto mong siya yung mag-message or makipag-communicate because ayaw mong magmukhang kawawa and trying hard or habol ng habol dito sa person na to. Ayaw mong maging ganun And I feel like may mga ina-accept kang bagay ngayon with the Five of Swords na nagdudulot para mag-move on ka with the Six of Swords and mag-focus dito sa new beginnings with the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, so for now, nakikita natin, sobrang nasasaktan or nalulungkot ka with the Nine of Swords because of this future na parang hindi ka na sure between the two of you. Like, for now, nakikita natin, you are willing na mag-take ng risk with the Fool. Pero, I feel like with the Queen of Swords, nandito yung willingness mo rin na mag-cut off, or you want this person na i-cut off kung ano man yung nagiging balakid sa connection na ito. But I can see you with the Fool na willing kang mag-take ng risk. And nakikita natin dito sa person na ito, because you see this person as your soulmate, the one for you. And nandun na yung willingness mo na mag-cut off ng mga dapat mong i-cut off. Pero gusto mo, of course, kung magka-cut off ka, mag-cut off din siya. Like, rin siya. Mag-surrender. Parang ganun sa connection. Anyway, who is this person that we're dealing with for Virgo? Who is this person that you're dealing with for Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. I feel like I need to get or use another card. Sorry. Maramdaman ko yung feeling ng ibang card. By the way, for some of you, maybe may mga problems or may ano ka, ang tawag dito, may mga nawalang finances or career sa'yo, maybe investment or money na hindi masyadong nag-work out, or career na hindi masyadong nag-work out, or maybe nagkakaroon ka lang ng mga problem regarding money. Yan yung iba sa inyo, maybe business na hindi masyadong nag-work out. Anyway, sino to person na kakonect mo? For the sign of Virgo. Sino tong person na kakonect mo for the sign of Virgo? Three of Cups is here. Four of Swords. Nine of Swords is here. The Sun, and anyway, the Five of Swords is here. The Ace of Cups. Yeah, I'm seeing a total ending na nangyayari sa inyo ng person na to with the Tower and the Ten of Swords. This is total ending. I feel like itong person na ito is currently happy sa kung ano yung situation niya. This person is currently facing itong kanyang new beginnings, and maybe may mga plano siya regarding dito. I'm feeling a lot of celebration dito sa person na ito. Pero nakikita natin yung feeling ng parang nilalabanan niya yung emotions na nararamdaman niya sa'yo, which is with the Ace of Cups, there's a lot of love. Pero nilalabanan niya yun. Like with the Five of Swords. No? Kaya wala rin siyang ginagawang action. And I'm feeling like with the Four of Swords, kanina meron kaning Four of Swords energy eh. So, nakuha natin yung feeling ng parang pareho kayo na bago matulog, you're thinking of each other, and nandun yung ayaw nyong isipin yung isa't isa, pero wala eh, naiisip nyo talaga eh, bago matulog yan. And pinipilit nyo yung sarili nyo na walang maramdaman dito sa connection nito. Like maybe, nasa isip mo na bawal ko siyang mahalin or ayoko siyang mahalin, ganun. And at the same time, this person is doing the same. Nilalabanan niya. Kunwari din, wala siyang pakialam and pagmamahal na nararamdaman towards you. But this person is, gusto kanya makita. Anyway, ano yung nasa isip at emotions mo towards this person? Queen of Cups, Ten of Cups, Four of Pentacles, and the Three of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Five of Wands. Ano namang nasa isip niya at emotions niya towards you? The Emperor, Two of Wands, the Judgment, the Tower, and the Six of Wands. Three of Swords is here. So, nasa isip mo and emotions mo, I feel like you do love this person. Maybe iniisip mo is with the Queen of Cups, pwedeng hindi pa rin nakikita nating sarado yung isip mo pagdating sa kanya eh. Like, maybe in the future, you're thinking na maybe may chance pa naman in the future between the two of us. Hindi nga lang muna sa ngayon, pero maybe in the future. And so that, nagpo-focus ka sa career mo, finances mo, sa iyong stability. Gusto mo maging mas grounded. You want to be more secure financially. Ng iba sa inyo gusto mong umikot or magkaroon pa ng maraming sources of income. I feel like you want growth pagdating sa money talaga. Kasi, but maybe in the future, you want this person na pag umarap sa'yo, you're ready. But I feel like you're already ready. Kaya ka nga willing mag-take ng risk. You are ready sa person na ito. Yeah. Kasi ngayon, mahirap lang talaga sa'yo is yung labanan, yung pag-iisip dito sa person na ito. Kasi talagang, lalo na yung bago ka matulog. Lalo na yung time na nakahiga ka na lang. Doon yung time na talagang mas nararamdaman mo yung emosyon mo kasi wala kang ibang ginagawa or what kundi ang isipin itong taong to. Siya parang gumugulo siya sa isip mo eh. Parang you want to rest. Pero laging ang hirap eh, mabigat sa dibdib yung nararamdaman ko sa energy mo. Your person, on the other hand, is the Emperor. I feel like ngayon ang nasa isip ng person na ito is paano maging leader. Like, maybe may mga hinahawakan siya ngayon na kailangan niyang mag-decide, magplanong mabuti for the future. The Judgment is here. Your person already knew with the Judgment na may something sa connection na ito. Alam niya na yun. And I feel like sumusunod lang siya sa kung saan siya dalhin ng buhay niya ngayon. You know what I mean? So, sabi ko nga, maybe may complete ending na nangyayari sa inyo ng person na ito. And pagdating sa emotion, sinabi ko na parang there's love. Masaya siya sa kung ano man yung nangyayari sa'yo. Naka-follow itong person ito. Like, lagi siyang nakakagawa ng paraan na makita or malaman kung ano nangyayari sa'yo. So, masaya siya. Okay, this person is very proud of you. Hindi mo lang alam yun. Pero, maaaring hindi mo lang napapansin. Emotion niya sa ngayon, there's a lot of pain with the Three of Swords. Nasasaktan siya. Yeah, this person is really sad right now. With the Eight of Pentacles. Tinatry niya mag-focus na lang sa ibang bagay eh. Like maybe career, finances. Basta binibisi niya yung sarili niya. Because this person is sad. With the Five of Cups. And with the Devil. Maybe nasasaktan siya because of the choices na ginawa niya with the Two of Pentacles in the past. It's like bad karma, parang ganun, yung nararamdaman nitong person na ito. Feeling niya kasi, akala niya natapos na yung emotion niya para sa'yo. Yung akala niya tapos na, akala niya baliwala na lang, akala niya nag-end na. Pero yung emotion niya nandun pa pala, na ngayon niya lang nare-realize na parang, mahal pa pala talaga kita. Parang ganun. So anyway, what will be the future actions dito sa connection na ito? For Virgo. I feel like proud siya sa'yo, and also his or her family are also proud of you. Like they see you as someone na mapagbigay. They see you as someone na mabait. Na kahit maybe personally hindi ka pa nila ganun kakilala or nakikita, but alam na nila kung anong klaseng tao ka. And gusto nila yung energy mo eh. Alam mo yun? Ace of Pentacles is here. This is the near future, the Chariot. Ten of Wands. Seven of Swords. Ace of Cups. Future action ng person na ito towards you. You discover the Star. Two of Cups. Three of Wands. Five of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands. The Fool is at the bottom of the deck. The Hierophant and the Page of Wands. The Moon. Four of Cups. Actually, yung action is depende rin sa'yo. Would you run from this connection? Kasi nakakita ko ng back-to-back offer sa connection na ito eh. The Chariot is here. I can see possible pagta-travel. And possible that time will come na may pagkikita ulit sa inyo nitong person na ito. And maybe it is may kinalaman sa money. And I can see you both communicating na parang may giving advices. Yan. Naghihingi ng advice, nagbibigay ng advice, etc. Pero kung hindi ka lalayo. Kasi part of you is umiiwas, lumalayo eh. With the Seven of Swords. The more na lumalayo ka actually, hindi naman siya yung nasasaktan mo din, kundi pati ang sarili mo. With the Five of Cups, this is you hurting yourself. This is you feeling sad with the Moon. Diba? Kasi pilit mo nilalayuan itong the Moon eh. The Moon is your person. This is the one na nakakapagbigay ng like nagiging mas better person ka because of him or because of her. So, bakit mo lalayuan? He is the one or she is the one, regardless sa gender, na, alam mo yung Moon has the power. Alam mo yon, yung parang siya yung nagbibigay talaga sa'yo ng power eh. Parang mas nagiging mas energetic ka, mas nagiging, alam mo yun, lumalakas yung spiritual energies mo, etc. This is the person na, parang nagugulat ka sa sarili mo, sa mga kaya mong gawin because of him or because of her. With the Tower, there's a lot of endings and new beginnings na nararanasan mo because of this person. So, malaki talaga yung impluensya niya sa'yo. And, nasa sa'yo yun kung lalayuan mo tong taong to. I feel like you cannot let this person go. Kahit lumayo ka, hindi mo siya kayang i-let go eh. Hindi mo siya kayang basta bitawan. So, in the future, nasa sa'yo yung action. May back-to-back offer eh kung hindi ka lalayo. Kung hindi ka iiwas. May back-to-back offer. I feel like in the near future, kung just in case na hindi ka lalayo sa person na ito yung possible mangyari. Like what I've told you. Kung lalayo ka, hindi mo naman siya tuluyang makakalimutan. Sasaktan mo lang yung sarili mo. Diba? Kung iiwas ka, nagkakaroon ng ending, pero hindi pa rin yun ending kasi hanggang nandun pa rin yung emotions mo para sa kanya eh. And kung just in case naman na hindi ka lalayo, there's this offer with the Knight of Cups. And, diba, kanina I told you, may mga plano yung person na ito. Maybe, yung offer has something to do dun sa plano niya. And we do have here the Ten of Swords. Something here is going to end kung hindi ka lalayo. I can see Two of Swords. Let me clarify ano tong Two of Swords na ito. Why is the Two of Swords here? Please clarify. Yeah. Yung Two of Swords, this could be a decision, ending regarding a decision or separation with the Two of Cups. Ito yung relationship na nagiging involved sa connection ninyong dalawa. And possible ang separation dito with dun sa person na kakonect niya. Justice card, pwedeng may marriage na involved and or maybe legal matter. The Six of Wands is here. So, yun ay kung hindi ka lalayo. Yeah, this person will come back. Like, yung energy, diba? Parang pabalik. And there's a warm welcome. Mga tao sa paligid niya. There's this knight or there's this person right here na parang pabalik sa kanyang pinanggalingan. I can see mga Christmas, mga ganong time. May mga special na pag-uusap na possible mangyari sa inyo ng person na ito. Yeah, and in the near future, with the star, this is Aquarius energy. 3 of Wands, 5 of Pentacles. Kukuha pa ako ng card. Six of Swords is here. King of Cups. If you would choose na umiwas or lumayo dito sa person na ito, there's this moving on na gagawin or like the unending nga na gagawin nitong person na ito kung pipiliin mong lumayo or umiwas sa kanya. Okay, there's this total ending. Kasi hindi ka na niya makita eh. Hindi ka na niya matanaw. Parang hindi na niya alam kung ano mangyayari sa inyo. Kung nandiyan ka pa ba. So, nakikita natin na magmumove on na lang siya. I-end na lang niya talaga completely. Pero if you would choose to stay, yeah, there's the Six of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, the Sun, and the Hanged Man. Knight of Pentacles is here. I'm seeing a new beginning here. Na pwedeng with the Six of Pentacles, may kinalaman sa pagtutulungan. The Sun, this is both of you being happy. Maybe, nandyan lang kayo para sa isa't isa, but both of you will be waiting kung kailan magkakaroon ng like offer para mabago with the Magician kung ano man yung situation ninyo. Yeah, there's a lot of happiness. The Hermit is here, Virgo energy. Yeah, and the Lovers, this is connection, relationships. Mas nakikita natin ito as spiritual connection. Yan. And anyway, yung parang as long na nandiyan ka lang sa buhay niya, huwag ka lang lumayo, huwag ka lang umalis. Parang okay na yun, mag-work out. Maybe hindi man ngayon, in the near future. Pero parang as long na nakahawak ka lang sa akin. 'Di ba? Hindi naman pinagmamadali yung mga bagay-bagay. As long na lagi ka lang nandiyan para sa akin. Na hindi naman kailangan may commitment agad-agad. Pero nandun yung basta nandyan ka lang. Huwag mo lang akong layuan. Yung ganun ba? So anyway, thank you for watching. I love you all. And bye-bye.